lowering cholesterol and blood pressure levels. Taking garlic on a regular basis may reduce cholesterol levels by equating the ratio between good cholesterol, HDL, and bad cholesterol, LDL. In addition, it has been found that taking garlic on a regular basis may contribute to lowering blood pressure and thus prevent heart disease and stroke. Reducing blood clots. Blood clots may block the arteries, thus stopping the flow of blood to the body's tissues and various organs. The dangers of these conditions are that they may lead to stroke or heart attack, but eating garlic can increase the production of nitric oxide in blood vessels, which helps to expand them. As a result, garlic is characterized by melting blood clots. Fighting infectious diseases. Garlic has been used for thousands of years as a container and therapist for many health problems. With garlic containing sulfur compounds, vitamin C, vitamin B6, selenium, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and other substances known to fight many types of germs, viruses, and even fungal infection. Cold treatment. It has recently been found that individuals who suffer from a cold and consumed little garlic have been cured more quickly compared to individuals who suffered from a cold and did not eat garlic and its supplements. Cancer prevention. Garlic contains antioxidants and other properties that strengthen the body's immune system and even reduce the likelihood of colon cancer, stomach cancer, and pancreatic cancer. Garlic supplements may also prevent the development of cancer cells in people whose family members have previously suffered from breast cancer, prostate cancer, and throat cancer. Fighting worms and parasites. One of the benefits of garlic is its ability to fight many types of parasites, especially intestinal parasites and worms. Reduce diabetes symptoms. Garlic may improve many symptoms and complications associated with diabetes, such as kidney problems, nervous system, retina problems, as well as garlic intake may reduce sugar levels, cholesterol, and fatty blood, which greatly helps people with diabetes.